Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have the adjustable dumbbells. Absolutely fantastic. You're like, Chris, what in the world? Are they inside of an engine? No, they're not inside of an engine. They're inside of the frunk. And that's what I want to talk to you about, how convenient these adjustable dumbbells are right here. So, make a long story short, I just got back from a 4.5-month road trip. And I also want to talk about the longevity of these here because this is actually my second set. And I'm now back in Colorado, but I was on a 4.5-month road trip. Make a long story short, the footprint of these adjustable dumbbells, absolutely incredible. As we get into the video, ladies and gentlemen, top link, as always in all my videos, top link in the description box below the video, will be these exact same adjustable dumbbells where you guys can read more about them and pick them up yourself after the video is done. Of course, let's go ahead and get straight on into the video. It also will be in the pinned comments as well. So they do not take up much room at all. Now, on my road trip, I was mostly working out. I'm going to show you here in just a second. Kettlebells, which I'm going to put right here. So those kettlebells right here, we're looking at a 45 and a 35. Okay, 45 and a 35. You're limited to all the different ranges of motions. You obviously can get a really good pump, and I did with kettlebells. But these adjustable dumbbells, now this again is my second set. Do you need 2 sets? Absolutely not. But going from 5-pound adjustable dumbbells, just a slight click. Your adjustables are all right here. And you can go this way, you can go this way. Click it into place. There's 45 right there. There's 45 right there. Lift that up. Obviously 45 is pretty heavy to lift up right now. Let's go ahead and click you. Here, let's click you over to 15 real quickly here. And 15 right here, live right here with you. Boom, up and down, and there you go right there. I do have a full video already of these on my channel, but I want to talk about the portability and the longevity of these dumbbells. So literally, I just clicked it. 2 clicks. Boom, 2 clicks. There's your 5-pounder right there. Let's go ahead and do a click over to 35. And seconds. That's a little bit more weight than 5 pounds. Slip it back in, crank them over, pull it out, you're good to go. But the reason, put these things in your van. Put these in van life. Put them in your frunk. Put them in the back of your car. You literally, while I'm charging this thing, oh, this is my dog, by the way. While you're charging this thing, you literally could open this up, get a workout in. Let me scratch her a little bit. She wants some loves. So she wants to be in the video too. So you literally can get your workout in during your charge at the superchargers, and you're not limited. Yeah, baby. Yeah. And you're not limited to just these kettlebells right here. Again, you can do so many more ranges of exercises with your dumbbells rather than kettlebells. So these two, we're going to talk about this in just a little bit as well. You're looking at 5 to 52.5 pounds per each dumbbell. This 45 and a 35, right? This is almost right here. These two are almost the same as this right here. But what the difference is, I can lower them different shoulder exercises. I have 2 of them, where these ones, it's literally 2 different size weights. So for travel, absolutely incredible. Road trips, van life. Even if you're going on a 3 or 4 day trip and you want to get a little crunch in, throw them in the back of your truck. Throw them in the back of your SUV. They don't take up much room at all. The footprint, again, is super, super small. Now, again, the base station right here, you will need that for clicking it over and adjusting them, but the footprint, again, is super small. So I've had my other pair now. I do need to find out if I've had it for 1.5 years or 2 years. I've had them for quite a while. I love them. We're going to go ahead and take a look at my workout I did was that workout like last night or 2 nights ago? But I use them every single time I work out in my shop here. I call this my outdoor gym, but technically it's an indoor shop gym. It's just, it's Colorado, so sometimes I have workouts inside the actual house, which is over here, and I have other dumbbells, etc. But for the convenience factor, once you go adjustable, it's just absolutely incredible. So I just wanted to show you the footprint of this, and let's go ahead and show you. Close that bad boy up, and you literally can leave them right there. Close that bad boy and go get your crunch on during your road trip. Absolutely fantastic. I think I got to go open it up from the computer. Hold on. Alrighty, let's take a look at the workout I'm actually doing right now. So I'm back in Colorado, as you know, but I've been on a beautiful, long, almost 9,000 mile road trip with the Cybertruck, if you can see it. I don't know if you can or not. Right over here. We are back in the shop, lifting I'm doing chest flies right now. Super simple, pull them out of the holders, prop them on your leg, and we'll talk through a little bit more of the longevity of the adjustable dumbbells. Now I got full dumbbells in my hands right now. So we're looking at 52.5 in each hand, maxing out at 105 pounds. That's the top it goes up to. And the lowest is 5 pounds. So there's such a range. That's what I love about these things. You can get big movements in these. They hold up absolutely fantastic. Now, since I'm back in my shop, back in Colorado, I have 2 sets. Do you need 2 sets? No, you don't need 2 sets. If you have the money for 2 sets, sure. It'll save you a little bit of time re-racking, clicking over, and jumping back in if you're supersetting. I superset. So, let me show you. Typically, I do less time in between. So we just did chest flies. Now we're gonna do shoulders. I'm gonna show you after this set. I'll edit this down. All right, 17.5's in my hand right now. No editing, no cutting. They go back down, 1 and 2, click it over to 20, click it over to 20. You're back up, 20s. Look at that, boom. So, 2 sets if you are going to be, but then going back to 17.5 because that's the weight I need for those. So we'll put those down. Having 2, is it awesome? Sure. Do you need it? No. But it saves you time from standing up with the 52s, dropping them back down, re-clicking, and then jumping over to shoulders. Seconds, it is what it is. I have 2 pairs. You don't need 2 pairs. I'm just showing you the functionality and what's awesome about this. Let me do some back, some abs, and I'll be right back. We should maybe be able to talk our way through back. So what I love about these adjustable dumbbells, so many different exercises. All right, so I just showed you chest, shoulders. I mean, I literally was just doing shoulders, Supermaning, going straight up. You know, you could do Arnold presses. I mean, everything with dumbbells. You guys know Arnold presses, shoulder presses. You could put them together, dip down, sumo squat. You could go 1 shoulder at a time. You could go 2 hand, 1 hand, triceps, kickbacks, biceps, 2 hammer presses, bicep curls. When I was on the road trip with the Cybertruck, I had 2 kettlebells that almost equaled, it was a 45 and a 35. What is that, 90? That's 80 pounds, 25 less than these adjustable dumbbells, and so much more versatile. Sure, I didn't have a bench on the go. Lay on your back, triceps, stand up biceps, shoulders. There's so many key exercises, especially if you're on the go, if you're traveling, van life. Stick these suckers in your automobile. They don't take up much space. They don't take up much space on the ground right here. I mean, goodness gracious. Supercharging this, 25 minutes, go to the bathroom, get a shoulder pump in for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, jump back in, get on the road. You shouldn't really be by the superchargers anyway. They put off way too much EMF and RF, so do be careful about that. Now, longevity. I think this is my new pair. I think this is the pair that I've had. I think I've had these for coming up on 2 years, 1.5 years, 2 years. Before the video is done, I'm gonna find out about that. The only thing that the longevity of these, a little bit of shop dust. I'm in Colorado, I'm in a dusty shop. I have the door open in the summertime. It's breezy, blows in dust. I set them on the ground. They get a little dusty, just like my knees, because I put my knees down for some abs. That's it. They're absolutely fantastic. Oh, let me show you one other thing. Since this is a honesty review, just the name right here, the E symbol on the name brand was chrome and it fell off. That's it. That's the only thing that has had an issue. There's not been loosening, there's not been wobbling. I've felt safe under 105 pounds. Absolutely no issues with the dumbbells. Clickings are super smooth. Every once in a while, you might have to give it that little extra turn. Most of the time, it's very smooth. And honestly, I can't really say anything bad about them. They look really good. They're not bulky. They're not super wide. I've reviewed another one. I think I mentioned this in my first video, but the first pair that I reviewed, it was too wide in between here and it didn't feel natural. These feel more dumbbell natural because it's not as wide, meaning that your grip is still nice. I have huge hands, but it's not like an extra inch on each side like my other pair that I reviewed. And again, I mentioned it in my first video I made, but this is what I was using before the adjustable dumbbells. And the time it would take me in between sets to loosen that up before I start another exercise. I loosen those up. I got to mess with the iron. I got to put them back up. These would always come loose on me. And then your next option is these dumbbells, but look at that's a 10, a 15, and a 30. And that's 6 dumbbells, right? 6 dumbbells for a 30 pair, 15 pair, and a 10 pair right here. And yeah, those ones are all rusted. And in kettlebells, they just take up a lot of room, man. So again, this is what I was working with before. I had my little 5-pounders right here, my little metal bars. I'd have to alter it. Okay, now I want to do shoulders. Let me wheel that off. Let me slip that on. Let me wheel that back on. And you know what? It wasn't that big of a deal until I got these beauties. And then after I got these, it's like, no, there's no going back. Well, ladies and gentlemen, like everything we've already discussed in the video, these adjustable dumbbells are absolutely incredible. Again, absolutely, this is my new set right here. My set I've had for quite a while. Second set. First set I got is right over there as well. Absolutely love them like we've already discussed in the video. Ladies and gentlemen, again, if you want to get your hands on these exact same adjustable dumbbells, in the description box right below the video is going to be that beautiful link for you where you guys can purchase them, pick them up yourself, and read more about them. Also, in the pinned comment below the video. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech related videos, house DIY projects, and more. My name's Chris and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.